This video is about embracing natural methods to rejuvenate your appearance. The desire to maintain a youthful appearance transcends generations, driving many individuals to seek natural methods to preserve and restore their vitality. Embracing natural ways to look younger not only enhances physical appearance but also promotes overall well-being. This video explores effective and natural strategies to rejuvenate one's appearance and radiate a youthful glow. Healthy diet and hydration. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet is the cornerstone of youthful vitality. Incorporate antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and colorful vegetables to combat free radicals, which contribute to aging. Essential fatty acids found in nuts, seeds, and oily fish help maintain skin elasticity. Additionally, staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water supports skin health, keeping it plump and vibrant. Skincare routine. Adopting a consistent skincare regimen tailored to your skin type can work wonders. Cleansing, moisturizing, and using sunscreen daily protect against environmental damage and premature aging. Natural ingredients like aloe vera, rosehip oil, and green tea extract possess rejuvenating properties and are gentle on the skin. Regular exercise. Exercise not only keeps the body fit but also contributes to a youthful appearance. Physical activity boosts circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the skin while promoting collagen production. Activities like yoga, cardio, and strength training help tone muscles, enhancing skin firmness and elasticity. Sufficient sleep. Quality sleep is essential for skin repair and regeneration. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to allow the body to undergo crucial rejuvenation processes. Investing in a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine can promote better sleep quality and contribute to a youthful appearance. Stress management. Chronic stress can accelerate the aging process, leading to premature wrinkles and dull skin. Engage in stress-reducing practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies that promote relaxation. Managing stress not only benefits mental health but also positively impacts physical appearance. Limiting sun exposure. Prolonged sun exposure can cause skin damage and accelerate aging. Protect your skin by wearing sunscreen daily, seeking shade, and wearing protective clothing and hats when outdoors. Minimizing exposure to harmful UV rays helps prevent wrinkles, sunspots, and sagging skin. Facial exercises and massage. Facial exercises and massages stimulate blood flow, tone facial muscles, and promote collagen production. Techniques like facial yoga or gentle massage with natural oils can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and improve skin elasticity. Natural remedies and herbal treatments. Explore the benefits of natural remedies and herbal treatments known for their anti-aging properties. Ingredients like honey, turmeric, avocado, and aloe vera have moisturizing, antioxidant, and skin rejuvenating qualities. Creating DIY masks or incorporating these ingredients into skincare routines can enhance skin health naturally. Posture and body language. Maintaining good posture not only portrays confidence but also contributes to a more youthful appearance. Slouching can lead to muscle tension and sagging, while standing tall and practicing good posture can convey a more youthful and vibrant presence. Positive mindset and joyful living. Embracing a positive mindset and finding joy in life's moments can significantly impact how one looks and feels. Laughter, positivity, and a fulfilling lifestyle can radiate youthfulness from within, reflecting on one's external appearance. In conclusion, achieving a younger-looking appearance naturally involves a holistic approach that encompasses lifestyle choices, skincare habits, and self-care practices. By incorporating these natural strategies into daily routines, individuals can harness the power of nature to revitalize their appearance and embrace a more youthful and radiant self. Remember, the journey toward a youthful glow begins with embracing these natural approaches and nurturing oneself from the inside out. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and like this video.